Welcome back. Now let's look at certain basic principles and assumptions behind technical analysis. Technical analysis is thought of as study of collective investor psychology or collective sentiment. Prices of security in any freely traded market are set by human beings or their automated proxies like computerized trading programs. Hence, the price of a security is set at the equilibrium between supply and demand at any instant in time. Technical analysis also does not believe in rational human behavior. This is in direct contrast to what is believed by fundamental analysts. Fundamental analysts or theorists propose that markets are efficient and rational, but technical analysis believes that humans are often irrational and emotional and they tend to behave similarly in similar circumstances. If you think about it, this is not such an unreasonable assumption. You see, fundamental data is definitely a key input into determination of value of a security, but since this data is analyzed by human beings, and since human beings can be driven at least partially by factors other than rational factors, it must be fair to assume that price of a security may be significantly influenced by human beings' irrational and emotional behavior. Also, if you look at it, human behavior is often erratic and driven by emotion in many aspects of one's life, so you can understand that it is unreasonable to believe that investing is the one exception where human beings always behave rationally. So, technical analysis believes that market trends and patterns reflect this irrational human behavior when applied to investing. The next important assumption behind technical analysis is that trends and patterns repeat themselves. So technical analysis is study of market trends or patterns, and technical analysis tends to believe that the trends and patterns tend to repeat themselves and are somewhat predictable. Technical analysis relies on recognition of patterns that have occurred in the past in an attempt to project future patterns of securities price. Also, technical analysis assumes that market reflects the collective knowledge and sentiment of many varied participants and the amount of buying and selling activity in a particular security. In a freely traded market, only participants actually buying or selling the security have any impact on its price. The greater the volume of participants trades, the more impact the market participant will have on price. Those with most conviction and best information have more say in setting prices because the informed traders are expected to trade higher volumes. Technical analysis relies on knowledgeable market participants putting their knowledge to work by trading in the market, and thereby they influence the price and volume of a security. In case a trade is not entered on an information, then that particular information is not captured in the charts of a security's price. Essentially, trade determines volume and price. The impact of a trade occurs instantaneously, and sum total of trades is reflected in price movements which frequently anticipate fundamental developments correctly. By studying market data, technical analysis seeks to understand the investor sentiment. Hence, technical analysis benefits from wide range of knowledge of market participants and collective conclusion of market participants about a security. With this, we have covered most of the principles and assumptions behind technical analysis. In the next video, we'll briefly compare technical analysis with fundamental analysis.